Good morning, children. Children, we have discussed word problems exercise 1.2. We have discussed 1 to 5. Yes? 6 to 10 you have written in your classbooks, but I did not explain you. So now I am going to explain you the word problems 6 to 10. See the question of 6th word problem. A machine on an average manufactures 2825 screws per day. So number of machines he manufactures, number of screws he manufactures per day is 2825 per day. So how many screws did it produce in the month of January? So he is asking how many screws does that machine produce in the month of January. So January has how many months, children? 31. So January has how many days? 31 days. So you have to multiply 2825 into 31. So that you will be getting the answer. That is the number of screws produced by the machine. Now you have already written, children. Don't read anything now. Just listen. 7th one. A merchant had rupees 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at 1200 each. How much money will remain with her after the purchase? So a merchant had how much money? The shop owner has 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at 1200 each. So what is the cost of one radio set? Cost of one radio set is how much, children? 1200. 1200, yes. Now how much she ordered? She ordered for purchasing 40 radio sets she ordered. 40 radio sets she ordered. So what is he asking? Total money with the merchant is asking. So if you multiply 1200 into 40, you will get the total amount the merchant has spent on purchasing the radio. Now the merchant had rupees 78,592. 78,592 rupees is the amount the merchant is having already with her. So what you have to do is you have to multiply cost of the radio, that is 1200, into how many radios he wanted to purchase? 40. So you have to multiply 1200 into 40. So you get 12 for the 48, 3 zeros, 48,000. So what you have to do is you have to find the money money will remain after her purchase. After purchasing this 48,040 sets of radio, how much money is she left with? So what you have to do? You have to multiply the amount. You have to subtract the amount with her minus the amount that she has spent on buying 40 radio sets. That what is that you have to do? You have to minus 78,592 minus 48,000. So what is the answer you get? That is the amount, the money that is left with the merchant now. Now see the 8th one. A student multiplied 7236 by 65 instead of multiplying by 56. What did the student do, children? The student had done, instead of multiplying 7,236 by 65, the student multiplied 7236 into 56. Instead of doing this, the student has done this. So what he is asking now, by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer? So what you have to do, children, here, 1875 meters. This you have to convert into meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So what is asked children? The distance between the school and the student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day she walks both the ways. Both the ways is she comes from home to school, from school to home. From school to home is this much. So he is asking double way. From home to school also, how much the distance she walks from school to home is the same distance she walks from home to school? Yes children? Yes. So you have to add 1875 plus 1875. This is the distance between school and the home. Now coming to the distance between home and the school. Is the same distance? Yes or no? Home and school is nothing but 1875. So what is the total distance now? Total distance is 4. 1875 plus 1875 because she is walking both the ways from home to school, from school to home. So 1875 plus 1875. 3750. 3750 kilometers she walks both from home to school and school to home. What is it he is asking now? He is asking us to find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. For the 6 days he is asking. So what you have to do children? This you have to multiply by 6. For the 6 days, for the total number of for 6 days she walks. Total distance she walks in 6 days is equal to 3750 into 6. Do the multiplication children. kilometers. So this you have to convert into meters. So what you will get? This is what the distance she covered in 6 days from home to school, from school to home. Coming to the next word problem, 12th one. A vessel has 4 liters, 500 milliliters of of curd. In how many glasses? Each of 25 ml capacity can be filled, is asking. So vessel has 4 liters 500 milliliters of curd. So what is the capacity of the vessel? What is the capacity of the vessel? 4 liters 500 milliliters. 4 liters 500 milliliters. So this you have to convert liters into milliliters children. 4 into 1000 plus 500. So you will get 4000 plus 500, which is nothing but 4500 milliliters. Because we are converting milliliters into milliliters here. Now what is it is asking? In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can be filled? So number of glasses filled is how much? Number of glasses filled is equal to how much is asking. So what is that we have to do? What's the capacity of the glass? Each glass is gave 25 ml. What's the capacity we got? 4500. So we have to divide 4500 child 2 will get 5 pence. Yes or no? Yes. Now the same 10 pence I have to divide among 3 children. Child 1, child 2, child 3. Is it possible, children? Is it possible for me to divide among 3 children? But each child should get the same amount of pence. Same number of pence that each child should get here. Each child will be getting 5 here. Second child will be getting 5 here. But in the second case, when we are dividing the same amount of pence, that is 10 among 3 children, we will not be getting the same number of pence with each child. Here, child 1, child 2, child 3. Yes, children. If we divide 10 pence among 3 children, how many one pen will be easy? I want to share among 3s equally. 3, 3, 3. If I give them 3, 3, 3, 9. I will have they will be getting 9 pence. 1 pen will be left with me. 3 plus 6 plus 3, 9. So 9 pence will be divided among 10 pence with 1 pen remaining with me. So that is not equally shared. Whereas coming into the first case, when among 10 pence is divided among 2 children, they get equal share of 5 pence. That is how we get children. 5 divided by 10 is 5 2s are 10. So this is exact factor, that is exactly divisible. Whereas coming to this 3 divided by 10, this is not divisible. 3 is a 9. 1.0. Again 3 is a. This is not possible. To divide 10 pence among 3 children is not possible, whereas 10 pence among 2 children is possible. See the reverse, children. 10 pence can be divided among 5 also with 2 pence each. Yes? Yes. So now what is it we are going to learn in this chapter, that is playing with the numbers, is we are going to discuss in the playing with the numbers. The first one is factors. The second one is multiples. We have already discussed in the previous classes. Just there it will be a brief description, but in this class we are going to learn in depth more about the factors, more about the multiples, more about LCM, more about HCM. Yes, children, problem with your LCM, HCM, factors, multiples. Now, what is a factor? Factor is nothing but if a number is exact divisible of that number. If a number is exact divisible of the number, it is called the factor of that number. Remember, children, if a number is exact divisible of that number, then this number is called a factor of this number. That is, 5 is a factor of 10. Understood now? Factor. A number, it is called a factor of a number. Same as example. For example, 8 I have 4 divided by 8. 4 2s are 8. So 4 is a factor of 8. Now 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. This is the second point you have to remember in the factor, children. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number 1 is a factor. For every number 1 is a factor. 1 into 8, 1 into 4, 1 into 3. For every number 1 is a factor. Next one. Every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. See, children, every number is a factor of itself. For example, 5. 5 into 1. Every number is a factor of itself. Yes, children? 9. 9 into 1. 1 into 9. 9 into 1. Every number is a factor of itself. Next. Now we are going to see number of factors for a given number are fixed. Very important, are fixed. That is finite. Fixed is also called as finite. For example, I am adding a number 8. What are the factors of 8, children? 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 4, 8. Still any factors for 8? 1, 2, 4 and 8. So these factors of a number are fixed. This number is having only 4 factors, that is fixed for every number. For a given number, the number of factors are fixed. The number will not be having more than this number, they will be fixed. Yes? Next. Same example. Children,